Haddad, Digital Growth Consultant at Google.
Thank you. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. How are you? First of all, it's my pleasure meeting you all, and thanks for attending the amazing presentation. Quick introduction from my side. My name is Qais Haddad. I work at Google Dublin, Ireland. I've been working in the mobile gaming industry since 2015. I helped more than 70 plus mobile games publishers and developers in terms of mobile growth and mobile marketing, and just to increase revenue in especially in the MENA market. And today I just did a quick presentation regarding latest features and updates from Google. These updates are from 2023 till quarter to date. And we will discuss some more information about Google AdMob, Google Play Console, and Google Ads. To start with, feel free to add me on LinkedIn. I always publish some useful links and insights and benchmarks. And also, there are some features here that you must be whitelisted in order to use this feature. So please feel free to contact me in order just to send you the form. Yeah, so we will talk about Google AdMob, Google Play, and Google Ads. So starting with Google AdMob and how it's becoming the best destination for ad monetization. As you know, if you watched the Google for Games Summit this year, Google launched the AdMob Immersive in-game ads. Currently, it's in a closed beta phase, and only 4 companies are testing this feature in Google AdMob, and hopefully within the upcoming quarters, it will be launched. As you can see here, for the AdMob Immersive in-game ads, game publishers and developers can add a natural, I would say, in-game ads inside their games without distributing other players while playing the game. Here is another example on this game, how it's just entering some ads here, and their gameplay also here. For the loading screen, for the hyper-casual games, as you can see here, and for also the casual games. Also for the action games, as you can see here, just adding more and more ads inside their gameplay. Last example, as you can see here. Yeah, and for this, please feel free to reach out to me if you want to test this feature in your games. So also, AdMob just launched the A/B testing tool where you can test different mediations inside the Google AdMob dashboard, when you can test different ad sources just to make sure which one is doing better and better. And I've been working with a lot of hyper-casual games in the MENA region, especially in the MENA region, and they are testing this phase a lot, and they saw an amazing numbers for this feature. Now, let's go to Google Play Console or Google AdMob. In many cases, while I was dealing with our mobile games and publisher inside the MENA region, they don't know, unfortunately, they don't know the Play game services. It's a really cool feature, and I really encourage all of the game publishers and developers just to use the game Play services. So, because it's one of the biggest services around Google, it contains more than 550 million plus MAU around the world. And while having one email, one ID for the players, they can play around Android devices, Android tablets, Chromebooks, and Windows PCs. Also, lately, Google just changed the whole, I would say, interface of the Google Play services, just to have it more friendly, user-friendly to the users. Yes. Also, enhanced store listing for post-install experience. Also, Google launched this a new feature. Also, still, you must be whitelisted in order just to use this feature. And it's really cool because it will interact with the installed users, for users who already installed your mobile application. And if they entered the Google Play Store, they will be able to see some new features. As you can see here, featured stories, Google Play points, and if you publish, for example, a new update, it will appear in the YouTube channel. And this is a really cool feature, FAQs, the frequently asked questions. So all of your updates will be available here. As you can see here, latest updates, FAQs, feature stories, and the play points. Yes, if you're interested in joining the early access for all of the above features, feel free to scan this QR code and submit all your details, and hopefully you will get pre-selected just to use these features. All right. Now let's go to next slide. Yeah. Playpoints. Playpoints, currently it's available in 35 countries and expanding to Brazil this year. It is one of the biggest loyalty program on both app stores. And it contains more than 220 million users who are enrolled in the Google Pay Points. The main concept of the Google Pay Points, where users can spend more and more money, they will get points, and they can redeem points inside your mobile games, and eventually just increase the revenue. And also, Google just launched this amazing feature called limited quantity, where you can just send some teasers to the users, where they can redeem more and more points for a limited quantity offers, I would say. Also, this is the same one as the previous, so no need to scan it if you want to join the early access. Also, in a product experiments or the A/B testing experiments. Also, I'm always encourage our partners and our clients just to invest more time in the A/B testing for the products, because in some cases, small changes might make really big differences. So I really recommend just to use the Google the in-app purchases A/B testing just to test different prices or different prices type in your games or in your mobile application, and just to get more and more revenue. If you are not sure from where you will start, and if you want to get more insights, more benchmarks, I really also recommend just to use the strategic guidance. This is a small, a quick demo. If you can just click on show, you will see a huge number of insights of benchmarks on which areas to focus on and which products to A/B test using the Google Pay Console. Custom store listing. This is the most powerful, or I would say, the most powerful tool on Google Pay Console, which is the custom store listing. Always invest more time in the custom store listing. Also, Google this year launched 3 new features. The first one is target audience, where you can target users by Google Ads campaign. I had this quick example that one of our clients, specifically for Ramadan, they changed the whole store listing for their games and into Ramadan theme. They want to launch ads in the GCC market. So basically, they took the campaign ID from Google Ads and just pasted here with the custom store listing. And users from the GCC market will be able to see the custom store listing, especially for Ramadan, for example, and just to increase the conversion rate. There's a lot of features, a lot of ideas. You can invest more, so feel free just to use the target audience. For the listing rollout, also, it's not mandatory just to reset 100%. You can just choose the percentage of users who will see the custom store listing. Also, you can test with this. And the duration, this is a quick one. And you can, for example, set multiple custom store listing and just publish it later on, not immediately. Also, this is really important thing, really important update. With the help of Google AI, you will be able just to create automatic custom store listing with a single click. If you can just click on the experiment button in the custom store listing, you will be able to create, you will be able to add themes, add tone of voice, and add audiences for the custom audiences for the custom store listing you want. With a single click, it will be automatically generated. Also, Google launched this new feature on Google Pay Console, is the machine translation at no cost. Basically, if you want to localize the game into multiple languages with a really solid translation and localization, you can just select the languages you want with a simple click within maximum 10 seconds, within maximum 5 seconds, you will be able just to localize the whole game into multiple languages. Now, Google Ads. As you know, if you run app campaigns on Google Ads, you will be able, users will be able to see your ads into five different placements. The first one is the Google search, the YouTube, Google Play Store, the Google Discover, and the Google Display Network, including the Google AdMap. And this is a really cool feature that now with the help of AI, Google Ads, if you have, for example, a horizontal video, Google will help you just to make it vertical in order just to reach multiple placements instead of just focusing on the horizontal. For example, if you have a horizontal video and you want to reach on the YouTube Shorts, for example, as a vertical, Google will automatically just redesign the whole video in order just to reach more different placements for the videos. Also, for example, if you have just text and images without videos, also Google Ads will be able just to generate more and more placements inside the Google Ads. Adding single video to app campaigns might increase the conversion rate by 16%. So I really recommend to focus on the videos while launching any app campaigns. Also, this is a new feature for text and image suggestions. As you can see here, Google will suggest multiple headlines and multiple images. It will be automatically created for you in order just to help you all the way while launching app campaigns in use. Uplift experiment. Also, this is a totally new feature on Google Ads where you can run different A/B tests while using the Google Ads platform. As you can see here, Uplift experiment. In the Uplift experiment, you can test two ad groups, for example. The first one with a video, the second one is without a video. And if you have, for example, in only one ad group, what will happen if you added another videos? You can just test this feature. As you can see here, campaign 1 without a video. Campaign 1 with only one video, campaign 2 with another video, and you can see and compare results with the current performance. Also, the Uplift experiments will give you just more insights and information about the current setup, what to change, what to increase, what to decrease, etc., in order just to reach a minimum of 99% accuracy. Yeah, there's a company called SuperCent. They've been A/B testing for the video experiment, testing a lot of features, and they saw a 15% increase in clicks uplift and 21% in conversion uplift. So I always recommend just to invest more time and effort in the A/B testing. Also, it was launched a year ago. That year was for hybrid monetization, where you can, as a publisher or as a developer, you can just create an app campaign. It campaigns to include inside it the in-app ads and in-app purchases with the specific numbers in order just to reach more users. Also, there's a company called EatVenture. They use the TROS campaigns for the hybrid monetization, including in-app purchases and in-app ads. And they saw 3x higher in ARPU and 3.5% higher day one and day 7 retention rate. For the engagement, if you notice this, last year, if you want to launch the re-engagement campaign, you must have a minimum of 250K installs. Now it's only 50K installs. And also Google launched multiple factors you can select for. Re-engage lapsed users, re-engaged lapsed purchases, and etc. You can select which type of users you want to interact with. And also Google launched the uninstalled users automatically. You can reach the users who uninstalled your mobile application. So this is basically in a nutshell about the latest features about Google. In my humble opinion, I would really recommend just to focus on the custom store listings and also for the A/B testing. It's a really good feature, really good insights, and feel free just to, if you have any questions, anything you want to ask, feel free to ask me. And yeah.
Is there any questions for Kais?
Perfect, please.
When you can start trying all those things?
Sorry?
Can you instantly start trying all those things?
Yes, for the one with for the features with the join the whitelist HADA, if you just scanned the QR code, you will submit all your details, okay? And our account managers and our team will check the whole store listing just to make sure, and they will give you the access.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Perfect. Perfect.
Okay. Thank you so much for the
Thank
presentation.
you so much. Thank you so much, guys.
We are having 1 hour